Python in cybersecurity, key libraries and tools. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field that demands constant vigilance and innovation. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, the need for powerful and flexible programming tools grows. Why Python in cybersecurity? Ease of learning. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn, even for those new to coding. Its clean and straightforward syntax allows security professionals to quickly develop scripts and tools for various tasks. Cross-platform compatibility. Python works seamlessly across different platforms, including Windows, Linux, and macOS, making it ideal for writing security tools that need to function in diverse environments. Extensive library support. Python's vast range of libraries simplifies complex tasks such as network scanning, vulnerability detection, data encryption, and malware analysis. Strong community. Python has a large, active community of developers and security professionals, which means that new tools, tutorials, and libraries are continually being developed for shared cryptography and secure communications. Python's cryptography package is a robust toolkit for implementing encryption, decryption, and secure communication protocols. It provides cryptographic recipes and low-level interfaces to common algorithms such as ICE, RSA, and ECC, elliptic curve cryptography, malware analysis, and reverse engineering. Yara is a popular tool for identifying and classifying malware based on pattern matching. The Yara Python library provides a Python interface to Yara, allowing malware analysts to integrate Yara's pattern matching capabilities directly into their Python scripts. Conclusion. In conclusion, Python has firmly established itself as one of the most versatile and powerful programming languages for cybersecurity professionals.